Hi guys, I went exploring today at some places that I used to go to when I was here in London a few years ago. Thought I'd go check out the markets at Greenwich. Was kind of disappointed, but also came out on top. The main markets at Greenwich used to be antiques and that sort of stuff. Now it's food. All of those market stalls are gone, and you walk in and it's just food stalls, which are good, but not what I was looking for. But further up the road, there was a small section where there were market stalls set up, and English traders with stalls selling bric-a-brac and antiques. And I got this. Is it showing up? Yep. Got my torch on, so the last time I saw one of these I was about 8 and I was living in Denmark. I had one for a short period of time, and a friend of mine, a Danish friend of mine, Paul, also had one, and it is an air pistol. Fires the 1.177 slugs, and I saw it and I had to have it. It's in reasonable condition. There's rust on the outside, as you can see. Let's bring it up close. Let's see the rust on there. Ash handle. And you're probably wondering what that thing is sticking out front. No, it's not a suppressor or a silencer. It is the actual barrel. This is called a push barrel air pistol, and how it works is this is the actual firing barrel. This is an outer barrel that holds the inner workings. Now what you do, you place it against a hard surface and you push hard. Hang on, just stand up for this. And that's what it looks like afterwards. So at the back here you have this thing protruding. Again, I'll give you a close-up shot. See that? Now what that does is you remove it by unscrewing, and that exposes the barrel, the actual inside of the barrel, as you can see there. And it's a smooth bore, no rifling. Then you take your little slug, you drop it in, you take this and you push it in further and then screw that in place. Now this thing is cocked, loaded and ready to shoot. So what can we shoot inside with an air pistol? How about a cardboard box? Now I'm only about 6 feet away. It's one layer of cardboard. We've got the flap. Hang on a second. We've got the flap, as you can see there's 3 indentations there. Just flatten them. And I've got some cardboard behind it. This. Right, I am only I'm standing back, I'm about 6 foot away. When I extend my arm, the pistol is about 3 feet away from the target. Now I'm going to aim for the corner of that sticker right there. Let's see if we can get a better shot of that. Yep, so I'm going to aim for that. Now I'm shooting down on an angle so the camera is safe. So 3, 2, 1. Can you believe that? At 3 feet it jumps high and left. And it just made it through, as you can see there. And it's hit this. And it's embedded just there. Now I'll try that again. I'll just load it. Hold on a second. Push. Unscrew the pin. Grab a pellet. Insert the pin. And screw it tight and close. Now, again, I'm going to aim for that point just there. Actually, no, I'll aim for that hole. Guarantee you it will probably come over here somewhere. So I'm going to aim for that. 3, 2, 1. See? That's at 3 foot distance. And you can see that second hole just there. It's not even penetrated, it's hit that cardboard on the inside and then bounced back. So I'm trying to do this in a single shot without having to do any editing. So this is the Diana Model 2. This is the German made one. It also goes under a British name which I can't remember, so I'll annotate that on the screen now. And with annotation you'll sorry, I'm tired. Also see the name of the manufacturer. Now these have been around since the 20s or the 30s, and the German made ones, they ceased production I think it's in 1938 at the outbreak of World War II, but this one has got made in Germany just written there. So I paid £30 for this. May seem a lot to some people, may seem very little to others. So, but for me, it was more the nostalgia of actually buying something that you had when you were a child. So all that rust, when I've got time, I'm going to get the I've already found the plans for this online. The company in Scotland, you can still buy all the parts for it, and I've emailed them about sending it up for a service, you know, to pull it apart and give it a complete overhaul. So hopefully sometime in the coming week I'll get a reply, and yeah, what I might do is, actually I just found some more writing on it I couldn't see before. Hang on. There's fireworks going off somewhere. Original MOD there's a trademark there. MOD. I can't see the number, but it does. It should be a number 2. Yep, model number 2. I'm not sure if that'll show up. Original, right there. Anyway, yeah. So what I may be able to do with it is simply attack the rust with some wet and dry and some oil, and gently remove that, clean it up, and then re-blue it. But I'll see what the company says with regards to sending it away for a service. They may be able to pull it together and pull it apart and actually completely service it, including getting the rust off. So time will tell. I'll keep posted. Spring's in good condition. So there you go, guys. Hang on. Not a bad little find. I'm happy. And basically, as far as I see it, I pretty much got this free. The reason being, the reasoning behind my thinking is, all week at work, I haven't paid a single cent or penny for lunch, because all my lunches have been food that I received at work. So £30 for this. I probably would have spent more money than that on lunch over the last 5 days at work. So as far as I'm concerned, this was free. So that makes me a very happy boy. Okay. Not loaded. There you go. Thanks for watching.